but Ray Graham is back. Maybe not 100% healthy, but still dynamic and ready.
It's a very tough run.
As he talked about in the open, you know, he didn't look like himself in the opening game against Youngstown.
I don't think he...
Watching to see how many times Graham carries the ball tonight. Here's one. And off the edge, Corey King at left tackle, normally a guard. Cincinnati, though, well protected, throws it to Graham short. Ray's going to get it.
If you're Pittsburgh's defense.
Actually, that wasn't an improvement, just what we saw a second ago.
Explosive plays.
I would hazard to guess that Wynn won't have an easier run this season. Graham still in the game. Ray Graham. Sadler in motion. Graham has it again. Ray tries to bounce it to the outside. He does. Good offense will get a little confidence they can get the first down. Graham looked for a second as if he had a creep. Players been known to come around Butch Jones' program as Ray Graham's back in the lineup. Bounces it across the 25-yard line.
Facing a lot of criticism after losing Youngstown State.
Graham pushing ahead. He needs to get it to the 45 for
4 years.
3rd and 1. Graham, nifty move that. They go right back to Graham. Graham inside the 40.
Prospect after Matt Barkley in the NFL draft.
Graham has it again.
It's the whole game.
Graham stretch inside the 35. I thought it was a Canadian verb.
Get ready for pressure now.
Cincinnati steps up and flips it to Ray Graham. Graham has the first down inside the 20. Graham still on his feet, and Ray Graham will have it down the yard line as Cincinnati avoided the sack and flipped it to Graham. Brandon,
get back up and help his quarterback. And how about the awareness? Cincinnati puts his hand down. Ooh. That's pretty solid.
It's solid. It's dangerous, but he gets away from it. He gets away with it.
Here's what.
These aren't down. That is a fantastic individual effort by Tino Cincinnati. And guys, Ray Graham right here when he keeps his balance.
1st and goal from outside the 15. Bearcats will take it for sure. And Graham picks up a couple of different guiding.
Way back. I saw him at the Manning passing camp. Totally different quarterback. And it showed this past Saturday against Southern Mississippi.
Ray Graham. Did you get of 18 on the night? A couple of costly miscues in the red zone. Graham dancing away, looking for a little alley, and now Ray's got room. Graham on that rebuilt knee turns Cheatham around, and Ray Graham, with his longest run of the season, gets Pittsburgh in business.
You love the vision. Miles, this play is going to start to the right. He cuts it back to the left, able to make guys miss, and again, keeping vision downfield and focus. Breaks out into the open field, one-on-one. That knee, that right knee on that cut.
Right knee right there. If he had last year's right knee, that's a house call. He's taking that to the house.
And how about that with the 50-yard run of Pitts on the edge of the red zone. A red zone is where their troubles, guys, have been tonight. 3rd and 6. Cincinnati flips it out to Graham. Graham eludes Blair, eludes another guy, and he's very close to the first.
But as if Cornelius Washington and Ray Drew and Jarvis Jones and John Jenkins, Kwame Gathers, and all these guys, Brandon Smith, as if they need